Okay. Hi, job seekers. Welcome back to Let's Hear It From, a career podcast powered by My Job Factory, where we bring forward impactful voices from the world of leadership and HR to guide, inspire, and empower today's job seekers. But before we jump into today's incredible conversation with an incredible guest, let me ask you three questions. Are you someone who knows your skills but struggles to stand out online? Do you ever feel stuck and unsure how to build a personal brand that attracts real job opportunities? Or maybe you are just thinking, I have the talent, but I'm not sure how to make it visible to the world. If you have nodded yes, then this is the episode for you because joining with us today is somebody truly special, Nikita Vora, the dynamic founder of She Leads India, which is the only online digital platform dedicated to helping women do business, grow their brands, and by using smart digital systems like Martech and AI driven content strategies. With over 15 years of experience in the digital marketing space, having traveled to 22 countries and mentored 350 plus women entrepreneurs, Nikita has been on a mission to transform how women led businesses and professionals position themselves online. So, without wasting a single second, let's hear it from the horse's mouth. Let's hear it from Nikita Vora. Nikita ji, we are thrilled to have you here today. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ajay ji, for calling me here.
Okay, I quickly jump to the first question. Nikita ji, I was just going through a LinkedIn profile. Your journey has spanned over 15 years and 22 countries. What were some defining moments that shaped your philosophy on leadership and growth?
So I come from a background where everybody is a business owner. I come from a
Oh,
Gujju background.
okay, okay.
So we were never taught leadership per se, but if you observe, we have the culture of leadership inbind in us. Like I grew up in a joint family, so
Okay.
we knew the seniority, the respect, the culture among the members, and
Right.
so
Mhm.
when it comes to leadership in business, it is no different than that.
Oh, I
One
see.
has to be a leader. Their vision have to be broader for whole family. Like if you talk about family, a grandfather is a person who leads the family. So my grandfather had a vision of impacting societies and doing something good to the family as well as the locality. He had built a temple. He
Oh, I
had
see.
started his own charity institutions. So those were the leadership thought which we grew up. So when I started She Leads, the vision was very similar
Mm-hmm.
to impact the society, to uplift the society, and do
क्या बात
something,
है.
serve the society in some ways.
So that's it's there in the family DNA only. Great, great, great.
Absolutely, absolutely.
One very selfish question I have over here. This is the question not only for the viewers but for myself also. Nikita ji, you work with many women entrepreneurs who say I have the skills but don't know how to grow my brand. Now this is not only limited to women entrepreneurs but to founders also, to entrepreneurs also, and to job seekers also. So, what do you think holds back most people from putting themselves, out there confidently?
Correct. So there are many, there's no one quick answer to this. There are so many variables and belief system which comes into play when
Okay.
we say that, we have the skill, but we don't know how to project it.
Correct. Correct.
The major thing which I would contribute to is mindset. So,
Okay.
since childhood, we come up with some belief system, but when we are in the real world, in the corporate world, in the business world, where we have to actually apply the skill set, the belief system which we have been carrying impacts on a day-to-day operation basis. So that's where I think one has to work on their mindset to say that this is my new birth. I have to create a new belief system that how the operation has to be managed, how my skill has to be analyzed, learn, and then uplifted, like upskilled, right? So I feel that if each one of us have skill, no doubt about it, but when we enter a new environment, say you are switching the job, you are starting a new business, anything, when you are shifting to a new place or
Role.
new phase of your life.
Phase. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's where you need to one take a pause, analyze your skill, कौन सी skill यहाँ पे apply कर सकते हैं, which skill needs to be learned and which skills are unlearned. So just take a pause and
I
reevaluate.
agree.
Once you reevaluate yourself, you will have that confidence to showcase your skill.
Great. So mindset shift is one very important thing which I have learned. Coming back to moving on to the next question, it's a very basic and a very simple question on job seekers. How can job seekers, young professional, it's not only for entrepreneurs, they can start. How can they start building their own personal brand online in a meaningful and a credible way?
Right. So, recently I have seen this that many people are getting into digital space. Social media पे आ जाते
Right.
हैं,
Yes.
Instagram पे आ जाते हैं, LinkedIn पे आ जाते हैं, and they just be there to showcase. Visibility होनी
Okay.
चाहिए, इसीलिए they are there. In my belief, don't just be
Hmm.
there because you have to be there.
Hmm.
Choose one platform. The mindset here is मैं अगर ज्यादा जगह पे दिखूंगा या दिखूंगी तो आई विल हैव मोर अपॉर्चुनिटी rather than going wide. I would say go deep, create authentic content which is
Right.
more religious to that place. For example, if you are trying to excel on in LinkedIn,
LinkedIn. Right.
create the content which LinkedIn thinks is acceptable
Okay.
or your audience
Mhm.
want that kind of content. Don't post daily, post frequently but consistently, and focus on quality, authenticity, and the quality. So my take here is don't be on each and every platform. Choose limited platform. Go with the limited niche subjects
Correct.
and go deep into those subjects.
Correct.
Create a authentic content.
Such a specific and insightful answer. Nikita ji, you often talk, and in fact, you have just said, about building digital assets, instead of chasing just likes and just, for just being there for the heck of it. But, coming back to the main question again, for job seekers, how could or what could digital assets look like in their career journey? How can they make the maximum out of it?
So if you are a job seeker, then LinkedIn is non-negotiable for you.
Okay. Okay.
And if you are on a LinkedIn, don't just put out any crappy content. Talk about your skills, your subjects, build
Okay.
up the authority, give, share your learning, ask for learning. Most of the
Mhm.
people don't put out on LinkedIn that, you know what, I am learning some skill or I don't know few skills. They think that it will impact their hiring. I would
Okay.
actually advocate
Mhm.
that if you are open to learning some skill, it shows that you are adaptable, you are looking forward to something. So
Correct.
be yourself, and on LinkedIn, say what are your skills and what you wish to learn and how you wish to contribute in any environment you go. So for
Okay.
job seeker, these are the things I think they should be focusing on.
Job seekers, if you are listening, then please project your learnability attitude on LinkedIn, one of the best platforms for job seekers. I quickly move on to the next question, Nikita ji. See, you have mentored 350 plus women entrepreneurs, which is a whooping number. So what traits or mindset differentiate those who grow consistently from those who struggle to take off?
The mindset shift which I have observed, or rather even I struggled, was investment, financial investment.
Okay, okay.
So what we do is when we are struggling, for example, when I was not getting job, I used to cut down on all the expenses, including learning something new, because I didn't had fund. तो अगर किसी ने बोला कि कैनवा का क्लास हो रहा है, I would resist. I would not go there and learn Canva skill, thinking that वो फीस का पैसा मेरे पास नहीं है.
Mm-hmm.
तो क्या होता था, आई कुड नॉट अचीव दैट स्किल. सो फाइनेंशियल माइंडसेट से आई एम नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग, एंड दैट इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्योंकि मैंने नया स्किल सीखा नहीं है, एंड वर्ल्ड इज मूविंग टूवर्ड्स एआई और अप
Right.
स्किल में, and that's why I miss out on the opportunity. So the mindset here is the person who invests in themselves for others
Mm-hmm.
gains more opportunity. The learning is invest is equals to opportunity.
Correct, correct.
Invest on yourself to learn skill, invest in your business to be more visible, more market. If you don't have today, we have so many resources, leverage
Correct.
that. But
Correct.
invest time, money
Money.
for your growth.
Yes. Stay updated. Be learnable. Stay updated. Even थोड़ा सा तकलीफ हो जाएगा. Like you have, very well given your own example. Job seekers, one of the most important lessons what we have learned here. Moving on to the next question, Nikita ji, something very, very important. AI and automation are transforming every sectors, not leaving even a sector like marketing. So, from your point of view, how can young professionals and job seekers leverage AI to stand out in their job search or personal branding?
So, because today you have an AI, it helps you to do A to Z thing, like you already said, right? So, the first thing you should be doing is to optimize your profile. Job
Correct.
seeker are posting or looking out on LinkedIn, right? You are applying through LinkedIn. Have you actually optimized your LinkedIn
Optimized.
profile? If not, start with that. Then content creating. If you are posting on LinkedIn, why not leverage AI or automation to post regularly, engage with people, putting out that content. So everything for job seeker, from skill learning to being visible to applying for the job and ultimately ending up on job. A to Z process can be leveraged by AI, or you can leverage AI for all the steps. So why not to do that?
Great, great. Nikita ji, I am into, recruitment, for more than a decade, and I keep meeting people who always say that, that they are stuck in their career. So, what advice would you, give to someone who feels stuck in their career, unsure of the next move, but afraid to take risks?
Right. So there are so many reasons why people don't take risk. One, of course, being the nature of being secure, and second, you don't know where to take risk.
Correct.
Right. So in my opinion, I would say when you feel stuck, it is the time to take a break. Okay, you're already stuck. You rather take
Yeah.
a break and analyze, why are you feeling stuck. Is it just your mindset that you are stuck and you are still seeing progress? Because some have, especially women, have this tendency that
Right.
even if you are progressing, you pull yourself down. Even if you have reached from A to C, you will be like, I'm still standing on A. So take a pause, evaluate yourself, that you are actually, if you are not moving, then which direction you want to move. There are so many tests nowadays freely available on Google. Take those tests, align yourself.
Mhm.
Are those career path which you have already chosen is giving you happiness? If you are feeling stuck, should you be moving from that? If yes, where to? If no, why not? So if you
Mhm.
do this analysis, I think that will help you move
Correct.
that needle.
Yes, you will definitely come out of if you feel you are
Yeah,
actually stuck into.
yeah.
Nikita ji, see, you have trained leaders at, IIM Ahmedabad and major business, forums and associations. So I want to know what, specific qualities have you come across and you consistently see in high potential talent than others, that others can learn from them.
Right. So, what I have been doing is one quality, or even
Hmm.
I am working on that quality, is reading, focus reading.
Oh, I see. Okay, such as,
So,
yes.
yes, every, or rather, most of the successful people actually invest a lot of time in reading books, reading news, staying updated, reading about technology. So, one habit which I have recently developed is morning 15 minutes I give to my emails, and in those emails, I have subscribed to specific 3 to 4 alerts there are some channels which sends you newsletter every day morning. So because I read a lot, or rather I want to be stay focused on technology, there is something called Your Story. So technology and
Right.
entrepreneurship. Every day morning they send you email at 8 o'clock, 8:30 ish. So every day I read those newsletters. Then there is something called Google Alert. You can actually
Right.
customize Google Alert, which news you want to read. So I want to be women centric. So anything which happens around women entrepreneurship, I want to be the first one to know. So those alerts comes in. Then there are newsletters. Market growth newsletters, then AI, future AI growth. So these are the newsletters you get every day morning at 8 to 8:30 between those times. So
Wow.
15 to 20 minutes, I am just reading those newsletters, knowing what is new in the technology, what is new happening with women, what is happening in business, how is India's future shaping up, and how I can leverage it.
Nikita ji, one thing I have noticed is you start your day very early. I am telling you, if you can, because I thought, generally these things starts at 10:30. Anyways,
Yeah.
that is such a motivating thing. Moving on to the next question, Nikita ji, see, you have built a strong community with She Leads India. So,
Hmm.
what role does community, play in building a sustainable career or a sustainable business in today's world?
So nowadays we have only virtual relationships. If you
Right.
see, we even for Diwali, you might have
Right.
received minimum 500 WhatsApp messages
Yes.
saying Happy Diwali.
Yes.
How
Yes.
many calls did you received? How many
No.
actually
Yes.
met you to wish?
Mm.
And it would be one fourth of it. Even if you are a very popular
Very few.
guy,
Very few.
yeah, not
Very
more than
few
25 people on Diwali day meeting, coming and telling
coming
you
in.
Happy Diwali.
Happy
है ना?
Diwali. And
तो
how many people I have met? I
yeah,
have gone out, taken the efforts and gone there and met. वो भी तो मायने रखता है मैम.
हाँ ना. So community में क्या होता
Yes.
है कि at least you have somebody
Yes.
who is driving something, right? कि खाली आप मिल लो, खाली आप बात कर लो, because in specifically from an entrepreneurial point of view, there is always ups and downs. You
Yes.
can never
Yes.
have only ups in entrepreneur. You will never have only downs in it.
Downs.
But when there are downs, no, that is the time when you need to vent out to somebody saying that I am not doing good.
Doing
I
well, yes.
Yes,
That's it. That's it. You have actually touched my heart. Right, right. Yes, I'm
yeah,
not doing it. Right, right. Yes,
I'm
yes,
not
yes, ma'am.
doing
Carry.
good. Bad बजी हुई है.
Band bajiye.
तो
Still, we
अब मैं
maintain that
क्या
smile.
करूं?
I really appreciate all those entrepreneurs who are watching this podcast. Right. Yes, ma'am. Yes, carry on, ma'am.
So that's where community can, one, be emotional support to it. Second, the network of course helps. कि
Yes.
अगर आपको job seeking है या opportunities है, then you actually tend to share with whosoever you trust. आप वो opportunity 10 जन को नहीं बताओगे, पर एटलीस्ट जिनसे दो से आपका रेपो अच्छा बना है, आप वो
Hmm.
दो से तो आप बात करोगे ही
बात
करोगे.
करोगे. Right.
Right? So then it is sharing the opportunity, then learning. अगर आप there is a saying, right? अगर आपको कुछ सीखना है तो उस चीज को सिखाओ किसी को. अगर आप किसी को सिखाओगे तो अच्छे से सीखोगे,
सीखोगे.
है ना?
Correct. Sharing is
या
learning.
सो कम्युनिटी, एक्चुअली मैं कम्युनिटी में जा जाके लोगों को बोलती हूँ कि सिखाओ. आपको जो भी आता है वो सिखाओ.
Correct.
व्हेन यू टीच यू विल बिकम बेटर एट इट.
Better.
तो आपको अगर नया स्किल सीखना है तो आप वही स्किल किसी को सिखा दो, आपको आ जाएगा.
क्या बात है. क्या बात है. Sharing is learning.
Yeah.
Last but not the least, Nikita ji, if you could give one message to every young professional, job seekers, or women entrepreneurs trying to build a career today, what would it be?
I would say when needed, give up.
Okay, give up.
Give up. So we are so stubborn with our dreams and our path. प्लान ए पे भी हम इतना stubborn होते हैं कि हम प्लान बी को सोचना ही नहीं चाह रहे, प्लान ए को गिव अप करना ही नहीं चाह रहे हैं. So when you see that things are not working into your
Hmm.
your
As per your,
desired objective,
yes.
yeah, Be stubborn on your goal, not the path you choose. So whenever
Okay.
you need, please
Okay.
give up on your path. आप गोल्स
Hmm.
के साथ स्टबन रहिए, बट पाथ
Hmm.
के पास पाथ कौन सा चूज करना है उस पे गिव अप करना इजी रखे, बी फ्लेक्सिबल. सो इफ
Hmm.
यू थिंक दैट लिंक्डइन मार्केटिंग इज नॉट वर्किंग विथ मी, डोंट बी स्टबन and putting up nonsense every day even when you are not getting engagement. Go and try with Instagram, go and try with YouTube, go and try with some platform where you might actually get better engagement.
Correct.
So
Okay.
choose your battlefield.
Yes, yes, yes. Such a practical. This was very helpful for me also. Nikita ji, although this particular question was the last question, but yes, there is one more section which I call as a rapid fire question, wherein I expect you to answer either in one word or, one short sentence as short as possible. My first question goes to you right now. One word that defines your journey so far.
Leadership.
I knew this. I knew this. Are you an early bird or a night owl? I know this answer.
Early bird.
I know this answer. The first thing you do when you wake up, Google alerts.
No, no. I actually meditate.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. One AI tool you can't live without right now.
Oh, too many. ChatGPT, Gemini,
Okay.
Cloud. ये तीन मेरे regulars है.
Oh, I see. Okay. The best career advice you have ever received.
Keep learning.
Keep learning. Okay. If She Leads India had a theme song, what would it be? I know this is difficult. If you want, you can pass it.
Stand-up leaders are here.
Very great. A woman leader or entrepreneur who deeply inspires you.
So many. Falguni Nayar ji, yes.
Okay.
Shraddha Sharma, yes. Vinita, yes.
Yes.
Kiran Mazumdar, so many, so many. Hina ji, I can go on and on and on. Like,
ओ आई मैडम उसमें
so
एक भी मेल क्यों नहीं मैडम मेल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स क्यों नहीं
so I am not saying the entrepreneur journey is easy.
हम्म
Uh, Entrepreneur journey is tough for anybody, but
ओके राइट
from a women perspective, it has been a little bit more difficult
ओके
because we
यस
had to fight for all the men
यस यस
who said that you can't do it.
ओके ओके my wife I am going to make her listen to this podcast okay
Yeah.
so I come to the last question of this rapid fire finally success to you what does it mean
Respect.
क्या बात है क्या बात है so viewers that was such an inspiring conversation with Nikita Vora who is the founder of She Leads India a true example of how clarity consistency and credibility can transform not just a business but your entire career also thank you Nikita ji once again for sharing your journey and for reminding us that we don't need to chase trends but we just need to build trust and value online. Viewers, if you have enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Let's Hear It From on YouTube for more such real career stories and insights from leaders across industries. So, viewers, my name is Ajay Ankar. I am your host. So, bye for now. Please take care and see you soon in the next episode of Let's Hear It From. Ah, great. Finally.